Picture this. You're in a cafe, working on your laptop, and you notice the tiny red light next to your webcam is glowing, even though you didn't open any video apps. Or you're using a smart speaker, and you suddenly wonder whether it's listening when you're not speaking the wake word. Or your phone displays a notification saying an app accessed your microphone in the background. For millions of Americans, these moments have become unsettlingly common. And that growing discomfort is driving an important tech trend. More US gadgets are now shipping with hardware privacy switches. Real, physical buttons that shut off mics, cameras, and sensors at the electrical level. This shift marks a major change in how companies approach user trust, product design, and digital safety. For years, privacy settings lived inside software, menus, toggles, permissions, and pop-up alerts. But consumers learned something frustrating. Software can be buggy. Settings can be buried. Apps can bypass permissions. Updates can reset preferences. And hackers can exploit software vulnerabilities. Americans wanted something more concrete, something they could physically control. A hardware privacy switch solves that problem instantly. When you flip it, the microphone truly shuts off. When you slide the camera shutter closed, the lens is literally blocked. When you disable location tracking with a switch on a device, you know it's disconnected at the circuit level, not just paused by software. One of the biggest drivers of this trend is consumer anxiety around passive listening. With smart speakers, video doorbells, baby monitors, webcams, and voice-enabled gadgets spread across US homes, people worry about who or what might be listening. Reports of devices recording accidental snippets, storing audio logs, or misinterpreting wake words have fueled widespread concern. Hardware switches provide the kind of reassurance software alone never could. Another major driver is increasing cybercrime. Remote camera hijacking, microphone activation hacks, and unauthorized data access have become more common. Even small vulnerabilities can give attackers access to a device's sensors. Hardware switches reduce the attack surface dramatically. A hacker can't turn on a microphone if the power to that microphone is physically cut. Companies are realizing that this extra layer of protection is becoming a selling point, especially as consumers learn more about digital threats. But this trend isn't only being driven by fear. A big part of the shift is coming from regulation and legal pressure. States like California, New York, and others have strengthened consumer privacy laws. Some require clearer permissions for recording audio. Others impose fines for collecting data without explicit consent. Tech companies are preemptively adding hardware switches to show compliance, increase transparency, and avoid lawsuits. There's also the issue of corporate accountability. When companies claim their devices only listen when activated, consumers often push back. They ask, what about accidental triggers? What about hidden bugs? What about employees accessing data? Hardware privacy switches help rebuild trust. They show that the company is willing to give up control and put it directly in the user's hands. Product design trends are evolving alongside privacy expectations. For years, gadget makers prioritized sleekness and minimalism. Buttons were removed, ports disappeared, physical features shrank. But the pendulum is now swinging back. Consumers want tactile control again. They want switches they can see and feel. And manufacturers are realizing that adding a privacy slider or button doesn't just increase functionality, it increases perceived quality. Smart displays, laptops, wireless earbuds, webcams, smart home hubs, drones, tablets, and even smart TVs are all adopting hardware privacy controls. On laptops, camera shutters and microphone kill switches have become almost standard. On smart speakers, microphone off buttons now sit front and center. On smart cameras, privacy shutters let users physically block recording when they want downtime. Interestingly, this movement aligns with a bigger shift, the rise of trust-focused tech branding. Consumers aren't just buying gadgets anymore, they're buying peace of mind. Companies that emphasize privacy, Apple, Google, HP, Lenovo, and newer privacy-first startups, are gaining customer loyalty faster than those that rely solely on software promises. Another powerful push behind hardware privacy switches comes from the workplace. As remote and hybrid work remain widespread, both employees and employers need stronger privacy protections. Workers don't want their home lives accidentally visible. Companies don't want liability from compromised webcams or microphones. Many enterprise laptops and accessories now ship with hardware switches as part of standard IT security requirements. Even schools are adopting these features. Chromebooks, student laptops, and educational devices increasingly include physical privacy protections because districts want to avoid legal and ethical issues around student surveillance. From a manufacturing standpoint, adding hardware switches has become easier thanks to improvements in component miniaturization. Designers can include shutters and kill switches without compromising device size. And because demand is increasing, the cost per component is dropping, making hardware privacy features more accessible to mid-range and budget gadgets. Another factor accelerating adoption is privacy awareness among younger consumers. Gen Z and younger millennials grew up online. They understand data risks. They read privacy policies. They question default settings. Many prefer devices that give them physical control. Privacy switches match that preference perfectly. Looking ahead, the hardware privacy trend is set to grow even more. We're likely to see multifunction privacy sliders controlling multiple sensors, LED indicators wired directly to power circuits, not software, devices that disable microphones automatically when cameras close, modular privacy controls in smart home hubs, privacy profiles, where switches sync with software restrictions. Some companies may even begin marketing their hardware privacy features as premium differentiators, the same way rugged phones lean into durability or gaming laptops lean into cooling systems. But the most important takeaway is this: Americans are demanding transparency and control in ways they never have before. They're tired of guessing what their devices are doing. They're tired of hidden permissions. They're tired of tiny icons appearing out of nowhere. Hardware privacy switches give them certainty in a world full of digital noise. In the end, the rise of hardware privacy switches is about trust. It's about giving consumers confidence that their devices listen only when they choose, watch only when they allow, and stay silent when they want privacy. And as long as tech remains woven into every part of daily life, that kind of trust will only become more important.